present, Walter. What?
You hung up on us!
When we were up in a helicopter alone, running out of fuel.
What's your point?
We had to jump out!
With one parachute.
Yet we barely made it!
We had to swim 2 miles.
Until we were rescued by a tuna boat!
Did you bring me some tuna?
Come here! Come here! Hold on!
Mom, Walter, you're home. How nice.
Hi, baby.
Hey, Megan. So, how was the water park?
Fun. When?
I had a churro.
I'll get it.
I hung up! Oh. You blasted me out of my own helicopter.
Shh. Not in front of our parents.
Who is it?
It's some, crazy guy.
I'll handle this. How can I help you?
Are you their father?
Yes. What's this?
A bill. That's how much you owe me for my new helicopter.
What? $400,000?
Boys, you're both grounded.
But Dad...
Grounded 2 weeks.
But it wasn't our fault.
Upstairs.
Yes, sir.
Night.
Night.
Great present, Walter.